So if you watched my video yesterday or last week, you may have noticed that I drink this kava at night. It's also called ngona. It's a root that grows in Fiji that they make a drink out of. And growing up, I just saw a bunch of old men that would drink it. But if you see this, there's like a huge spike, but it's not going up, it's going down. So that's why I'm thinking the kava lowered my blood sugar because it was lower than it had been in a long time. Anyway, this juice was disgusting, as you can see by my face. Seitan kibagi, but I added garlic, onion, now pink salmon. Cute. I added eggs. I added avocado to all that, and I was able to keep my spike to a minimum. It's never been this low. You can see my blood sugar is just really low in general. My mom is making fish. What kind of fish is this, Ma? Wahoo?
Wahoo, yeah. I think it's wahoo.
So we got the garlic from America because we don't want Chinese garlic. She put salt and turmeric powder, healthy. Now what are you putting in?
I think this is cumin.
Cumin.
Curry powder. I'll use the curry powder.
Fiji curry powder.
Meat masala. This is also another masala.
Meat masala?
Yeah. Mixing both.
Oh, and I marinated it in kumquat juice from the market. So the kumquat juice.
Can you smell it?
No, I can't really smell it. Nope. Smells good. And you mix it up and you put it on the fish like a paste.
Machili mein I put more fresh mustard seeds. Sarson ke seed. This thing. You know that.
No, I don't. Well, I guess, yeah, that's part of the mix that you made.
Yeah.
You normally have it all put together.
Yeah. Methi. Methi is very good.
She fries onions perfectly. Fenugreek. Oh, what's the leaf?
Huh?
Leaf from your garden, what is it called?
Tejpatti.
Tejpatti.
Curry leaves, English. I just rubbed it in my hand so it was a little dry. You don't want chitki. Otherwise you wash it early enough so it dries like that. Which I didn't do. Usually I put the paste, I mix the paste with water, tomato paste.
Oh.
Yeah, a big teaspoon of this or whatever, half a teaspoon, the real paste. Mix it with water and that goes in first. But I don't have that here. I do have coconut water, milk, so I'll use that. But I have to put some. Coconut is thick, so I have to
There's the coconut milk.
It's very thick, so.
From a can.
Now this is gonna, little I don't have a chitki.
Coconut milk going in.
Yeah, but see, it's very thick, right?
Yeah.
So I have to mix it with water to make it thin.
Okay, you want me to add water to it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It needs to be yellow. Oh, and like a garlic लेके आओ, teaspoon से निकाल के वो भी छोड़ी. Because इसमें सब dry हो जाए, see? You don't see much masala. So you have to, this
I would not know how to make this.
This should be yellow. So I'll just put it in there. And then this one, I think this is very brown. I can let them eat it fried. See, looks like I need more milk. If I can fit one more.
But the fish is already cooked.
Yeah, fish is already cooked, but you gotta cook it in here a little bit to get the sauce and everything to marinate nicely. And you cook it when you have coconut water, coconut milk in there. You cannot close the lid. I don't know what it is.
Oh.
If you close the lid, then it falls apart.
Oh.
I think at least 10 minutes I have to cook it.
Are you sure there's just no space for this one?
So I'll let them eat it fried. इसके बहुत tight हो जाए.
Okay.
I think it's better.
That's not jelly beans. Worst idea ever. I should have drank more kava.
No, that's a baby.
आपण बप्पा क्यों नहीं डरा में नहीं
Milk and cookies.
I think my blood sugar being lower made me have more cravings, which is not fun.